Hello everyone, welcome to Visual. If you are a BTech student, then you have to subscribe to this channel for more exam related content.
In this video, I'll discuss about social network analysis, which is there in JNTUH in 4th year 2nd semester. Here, I'll explain about Unit 1, the important questions along with the solutions. If you watch this video till then, for sure, you will score 90 plus, 90 above, for sure. Because I have prepared these questions in such a way that it will cover the complete syllabus of this Unit 1. Clear? It is completely the introduction of social media and social networks and social media, new technologies of collaboration in social media and social network analysis. Complete the I have prepared these questions which covers the complete syllabus of this Unit 1 so that you cannot miss anything. You can easily score 95 plus as well if you watch till then. Here these are all the 7 questions from this syllabus. Let us get into the video. Before starting, if you are new to Visual, then subscribe to Visual for more videos like this, which will be helpful to you. Subscribed? Done. Let's get into the video. What is social media? Explain its features, characteristics and examples. Here, everyone knows what is social media. Just you have to write down in your own words. Whatever you understand, you can write in your own words. Social media is a collection of online platforms. That might be YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, anything. Social media is collection of online platforms and applications that allow people to create, even people can create, share and interact with content and communicate with other over the internet. This is what the social media means. Now, here for example, create means people can allow to create. I am creating. Whatever I am creating the videos, you are sharing with your friends. This is very helpful to you. That's why you are sharing these videos with your friends and interact with content. If you want me to explain any particular topic or subject, you will comment below and interaction will happen there and communicate with each other over the internet. Clear? This is what exactly the social media means and how exactly it will work. Features of social media. We have user generated content. User can create and share the posts, photos and videos. For example, if I take me as the creator, I am creating the posts, photos and videos. After that, connectivity. How connectivity works means people can connect with friends, family and others worldwide. Now here I am connecting with you people, right? That is what the connectivity means. People can connect with friends, family and others worldwide. After that, interactivity. Users can like, comment, share and message instantly, which means if you like the content, if it is helpful to you, for sure you will consider that as you will like the video if it is helpful to you. And you comment as well. If you want me to explain any particular subject or topic, you will comment below and let me know. There the interaction will happen. You will share this video with your friends who are struggling in this social network analysis and message instantly. Clear? This is how interactivity works and real-time communication will happen. Information can be shared instantly, live videos, chats, everything. The real-time communication will happen in social media platforms. And personal profiles. Each user has a profile with personal information and photos as well. For example, I can tell you Instagram. Everyone has their personal profiles on Instagram. Each user has a profile with the personal information and photos as well. Clear? This is about the social media. And the characteristics of social media are wide reach, which means content can reach a large global audience. If I upload this video, it will reach worldwide. It will reach large global audience. Clear? This is wide reach. Fast information sharing. News and updates spread very quickly. That is fast information sharing. And two-way communication. Both sender and receiver can interact. If you send me, if you put any comment, I can easily reply. That's why this is two-way communication. Both the sender and receiver can interact. Community building. People with similar interest from groups and communities. After that, multimedia support. It supports text, images, audios and video content. If I am uploading, if I have a channel, I can easily upload the text, images, audios and video content as well, which means it will support the multimedia. I can upload any kind of data. For example, examples of social media, we have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube and WhatsApp. These are all the social media platforms. For Facebook, for sharing posts and content with the people. This is the Facebook. Instagram, for photos and videos. They have their own profiles. Twitter, for short updates and news. We have Twitter. YouTube, we have for video sharing. WhatsApp is for messaging and communication. Clear? These are all the social media platforms. In short, if I have to say, social media is a powerful platform for communication. We can communicate easily. Content sharing and collaboration among people globally. It is worldwide. It is wide reach. And the second question is, what are social networks? Explain different types of social network with real world examples. Here, social network is a structure that is made up of individuals. which is called as nodes, and connected by relationships, that is called edges, such as friendship, communication, and professional links. Here the network is nothing but the individual, it is made up of the individuals, the people, and they are connected by the relationships, that might be friendship, communication, or personal links, professional links. Clear? This is the social network. The types of social networks we have: personal, that is friendship network, and professional, information networks, and content sharing network, interest based network, and communication network. Here personal network means these connect the friends, family, and relatives. This is personal. For example, I can say Facebook and Instagram also sometimes. Professional network means use it for jobs, career growth, and business connection. This LinkedIn is the best example for this professional network. And information network means use it to share the news, updates, and ideas. That is Twitter. Content sharing network, use it to share the photos, videos, and media content. We have the Instagram. This is the best example for this content sharing network. After that, we have interest based network. People connect based on common interests or hobbies. That is Reddit. We have communication network. It is used for messaging and real time communication. WhatsApp is the best example for communication. In short, if I want to say, social networks are systems of connected people, which means social network means that will connect the people, and they can be classified based on the purpose. Like the social network is classified based on the personal, professional, and information, content sharing, interest, and the communication. Clear? And the third question is, explain the relationship between social media and social networks. Here social media everyone knows. Again, I have explained about social network also. Here social media is a platform used to create and share the content. Social network is a platform, and it is a structure of people connected by relationships. Clear? And here it will social media is the main focus of social media is content sharing and communication. The main focus of social network is connections and relationship between the users. Clear? You have to remember this. And the main purpose of social media is sharing information, media, and ideas. In social network, building and maintaining the relationship. The main focus is on relationship between the users. And here, this is in the form of application or technology. This is the system and the structure. Here, the function is it enables the interaction through posts, videos, and messages. The function is it shows how people are linked together. That is friendship or follows, anything. For example, for social media, I have Instagram, YouTube. For social network, we have Facebook for the network of friends, and LinkedIn for the connections. Here, the relationship on the social media creates and supports social network. First, it will create the social media and supports the social network. Here, social network already exist and grow using social media platforms. Clear? Already social network is there, it will grow using social media platforms. But here social media creates, it is created, after that supports social network. Clear? This is the relationship between social media and social network. Whatever you understood, you can write it in your own words in theory based on the given marks only, always. Here if I want to say in short, social media is the tool or platform, while social networks are the connections or relationships formed using those platforms only. This is the main relationship between social media and social networks. Let us move to the next question. What are new technologies of collaboration in social media? Explain with suitable examples. The new technologies of collaboration are modern online tools and platforms that allow multiple users to work together, share ideas, create content, and communicate in real life through social media. Here, new technology collaboration is nothing but working together, and they will share their ideas together and create the content as well, communicate in real life. Clear? This is about the collaboration, new technology of collaboration in social media. For example, you can say that blogs, wikis, social networking platforms, content sharing platforms, cloud collaboration tools, communication tools. These are all the new technologies of collaboration in social media. Blogs means the platform where individuals share the information, ideas, or opinions. For example, WordPress we have, and wikis, websites where users can collaboratively create and edit the content. For example, Wikipedia we have. Social networking platforms that allow users to connect and collaborate through posts and discussion. For example, Facebook and LinkedIn. They will connect and collaborate. Clear? Content sharing platforms. It enables the users to upload and collaborate through media content. For example, we have YouTube and Instagram. For example, if I am uploading the exam related content, CS related content, technology related content, then I can easily get the collaborations which is related to this content on the platforms of YouTube and Instagram. Cloud collaboration tools. It allows the multiple users to work on the same document or the project online. That is cloud collaboration. For example, Google Documents and Google Drive. Multiple people working on the same Google Drive and same Google Documents. That is cloud collaboration tool. Communication tools. It supports the real-time messaging. For example, I can say WhatsApp and I can send the voice and video collaboration as well. For example, WhatsApp and Zoom. Communication. For communication, we have Zoom also. If I have to say in short, these technologies make collaboration easy, fast, and global, helping people work together and share knowledge effectively. Clear? This is all about the new technologies of collaboration in social media. How exactly the new technologies work in social media, the collaboration and all. And the next question is define social network analysis. Here comes social network analysis. Explain its purpose and importance. Here, social network analysis is a method used to study and analyze the structure of social networks by examining relationships between individuals or groups, which is nothing but it is a method used to study and analyze the structure of social network by examining the relationships. What is the relationship? It will understand what is the relationship between the individuals or the groups. This is social network analysis. How exactly the social network is connected together. Clear? Based between individuals or groups. What is the purpose of social network analysis? Mean understanding the relationship. It helps to identify how people or groups are connected and identify key individuals. It finds the important or influential nodes on a network, which is very important, and analyzing information flow. It shows how information spreads within a network. And the last one is network visualization. It helps in mapping and visualizing connections clearly. This is network visualization. What is the importance of this social network analysis? Means better decision making. The organizations use it to improve the strategies and planning as well, and business applications. These are used to marketing to identify target customers and influences as well. They develop the applications. And healthcare applications. It helps to track the disease spread and improve the public health systems. Social media analysis analyzes the user behavior and trends on platforms like Facebook and Twitter. Community detection. It helps to identify the groups or communities within the network. These are all the importance of social network analysis. In short, if I have to say, means social network analysis helps to understand connections, identify the important people, and analyze how information flows in a network. Marketing it useful in many real world applications. They will use in such a way that it has to be helpful to that network, helpful to that creator as well. Clear? By using social media platforms. And the next question is explain how social network analysis is used for measuring and mapping social net. The social network analysis helps in understanding networks by measuring relationships and mapping the connections visually. This is how exactly it is helpful. And measuring social networks, let us understand, it involves calculating different matrices to understand the importance and position of node. Here the name itself says that measuring social network, it will calculate the different metrics to understand importance and the position of the people. Clear? And degree centrality, which means it will measure how many direct connections a node has, which means an individual has. And more connections is equal to the more influence. If the person has 10,000 connections, they can influence more, and 1 lakh connections, they can influence more. Like that, the more connections is equal to the more influence. Clear? Betweenness centrality, which means it shows how often a node lies on the shortest path between others. That is betweenness centrality. It helps to identify the bridge nodes. Clear? Sorry. Closeness centrality. It measures how close a node is to all other in the network. For example, if there are 10 people, how one individual is close to other. It will show that closeness centrality. And closer nodes can spread information faster. If one person is closer to another person, they can spread the information faster. And density. It indicates how strongly the network is connected. Density means it will show that the strong network connection. Higher density, more connection among nodes. If the density is more, the connection is also more among the nodes. Clear? And here, mapping social networks. They have asked it, mapping social network also. It involves creating visual representation, which means visual representation in the sense graphs of that network. Nodes and edges. Graph contains the nodes and edges. Node represents the people and edge represents the relationship. Here graph visualization. Networks are shown as diagrams, clear in the graphical representation, and to easily understand the structure of that network. Community detection. It helps to identify the groups or clusters within the network. And pattern identification, which is used to detect the trends, influences, and communication flow as well. This is pattern identification. It will detect the trend, influences, and communication flow. If I have to tell in short, means measuring gives numerical insights, who is important, and while mapping gives visual understanding. Measuring gives who is important, the numerical insights. Here mapping gives visual representation, clear visual understanding, how they are connected. The visually it will represent in social network. And the last question is explain modeling of social network with suitable examples and applications. Here modeling of social network is the process of creating a mathematical or geographical graphical representation. It is a process of creating mathematical or graphical representation of social network to understand how nodes means here people and edges means relationships are structured and behave. This is a process of it will create a mathematical and graphical representation how nodes and relationships are structured and they are behave. Clear? This is about the modeling of social network. We have types here. Types are approaches of modeling: graph-based models, random network models, small world models, and scale-free models. Graph-based means it represents the network as nodes and edges. For example, a friend network on Facebook where users are nodes and the friendships are edges, as I told here. And the random network modes means the connections are formed randomly between the nodes. Clear? Nodes in the sense it between the people. It is used to study general network behavior. And the third one is small world models. The nodes are closely connected with short paths between them. For example, friends of friends. Concept in real life you can say friends of friends. The nodes are closely connected with a short paths between them. If I have to say an example in real world, that is friends of friends. She is a friend of mine and she is a friend of her. That is friend of friend. That is small world models. Nodes are closely connected with short paths between them. Clear? Scale-free models. Some nodes have many connections while most have few. That is scale-free models. For example, influencers on Instagram have many connections rather than others. Clear? Here, for example, friendship network on Facebook, follow network on Twitters, and professional connections on LinkedIn. These are all the examples for modeling of social network. The applications of these are business and marketing. It helps in business and marketing, identifying influencers and target customers. Social media analysis, which means understand user behavior and trends as well. Healthcare, the model disease spread and control the epidemics. And recommendation system, it suggests friends, videos and products. Whatever you watch, based on that, it will recommend the friend suggestions, videos and products. Security and fraud detection, it will detect the suspicious or abnormal connections as well, and it will inform to you. If I have to say in short, modeling helps represent and analyze the social network to understand the structure, predict the behavior of that customer, and apply it in real world problems. This is how exactly the modeling of social network works. Here completes this unit 1 of social network analysis. If you found this video even 1% helpful, like this video, share this video with your friends. The exams are near, and comment below if you want me to explain any particular subject or topic. For sure, I'll consider that. And don't forget to subscribe to Shivprajwal for more videos like this, which will be helpful to you. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the Unit 2 video.